Hello world, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the tema stitch. It's an easy stitch that you can make. It's just full of single crochet with back post single crochet. Very easy. Mind you, with this stitch at the end, you get a dense kind of work, a thick work, very heavy. So normally we use it for doormats or the base of anything like bags, like baby boots, anything that you want the base to be very dense, right? So first of all, you make your foundation chain, and with the foundation chain you are going to chain 60 and add 1 to it. It doesn't matter, you just chain according to the length that you want for your project. Then you add plus 1 chain to it. You add one chain to it, and you are good to go. When you're done with your chain, the next you have your single crochet in each of the foundation chain hole that you have created through till you get to the end. So you are having a single crochet. In UK it's referred to as a double crochet. So we are making a single crochet till you get to the end of our work. Mind you, with this stitch, the first 2 rows, or the first 2 rows are the most difficult rows, but as you get higher it becomes more easy for you to crochet. So let's have our single crochet till we get to the end. Right, so this is our single crochet. You chain 1 and you turn your work. So when you turn your work, the next stitch hole, normally we do a single crochet in both of the loops, but this time you are going to work backwards. Okay, so only the back loop. Okay, so you can see that we have 2 loops on top here. So you just single crochet with the back one, only the back. So the back one, we are going to just do a single crochet there. So you insert your hook, then you insert the hook through the foundation chain hole or the foundation chain loop that you see there. Okay, then you yarn over and pull through the foundation loop through to the back post loop. Then you have 2 loops, then you do a single crochet through it. Okay, so let's do that again. You set your hook through the back loop, then through the foundation chain, you yarn over and pull your yarn through the 2. Then with your 2 loops you yarn over and pull through again. Let's do it again. With the back loop, you insert your hook through the foundation, you pull through, then you pull through the 2. Okay, so through the back loop, through the foundation chain loop that you have there at the back, you yarn over through 2, then you yarn over through 2. Okay, so we are going to do this through till we get to the end of our work. And remember to always work back looping. So you back loop, You keep on back looping through the foundation till you get to the end. So at the end you are getting something like this. You chain one and you turn your work. Okay, so when you turn your work, you realize that there's a kind of bump at the back or the front. Okay, so you're going to work again, back looping. So through the back loop, through the middle or the new stitch that you have, the loop there in the middle, you pull through. So through the back loop, this time it's not the foundation one, but it's the newly chain or the newly stitch that you did. So you back loop, then through that loop over there corresponding to the back loop one, you pull through your yarn. Okay, so this is what happens with the second row. You pull through and you pull through again, back loop through the new or the previous loop, the one corresponding right to it, then you pull through. So through the back loop through to the new loop, pull through and pull through. Don't worry, it looks like it's complicated, but that's how it is. From the beginning it kind of complicated, but as you move up it becomes so easy for you. Okay, so you always work with the loop that you previously worked on. Okay, so you're going to do that till we get to the end, and at the end you get something like this. You realize that there's this bump at the back, so you chain one and you turn your work. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so you realize that there's this bump at the back, and you're going to work the back looping through the bump, the bump at the back, the loop over there, then you pull through. Mind you, this stitch is kind of it's like you're working two pieces of crochet work together. It's like you're joining two pieces of crochet work together. Okay, so at the end it becomes so dense and so heavy, right? So you insert your hook at the back loop through the bump loop at the back, okay, and you yarn over and pull through two, and you pull through two. You set your hook, the back loop, through the bump loop, then you yarn over through and you pull through two, pull through two. Okay, so the back loop, you pull through the two, then you pull through the two. Okay, so you're going to do this till you get to the end of our work, and when we get to the end you chain one, you turn the work, and we do the same thing. So this stage normally is kind of working two stitches together, but instead of making two different projects and joining them with single crochet, we are crocheting the two at the same time. Okay, so at the end you get a kind of dense work, very heavy. You can even use it for the base of your slippers, your your bedroom slippers, or baby boots, up the base of bags. Even you can use it for hats. Any project that you want a kind of dense look, a kind of heavy look, kind of yeah, so this is what you use for such projects. Right, so when you get to the end, you should be getting something like this. You still see a bump in front of you. You turn your work so that the bump will go behind. Then you start back looping again. And I told you, the more you go up, the easier it becomes. So you can see that now it's easy for you to insert your hook through the bump, through two, and pull through two. Right, so it becomes so easy as you move up. You are going to do this throughout for so many rows of back looping single crocheting. Guys, after the 9th row, this is what you have. Yes, so you keep on till you get to your height or desirable heights that you want. And guys, look at this. It's so beautiful, so easy to make, very simple. Look at this, so stretchy, so dense. It's like we've combined two crochet work together. Very beautiful. Now guys, let me show you how you end your work, because we don't want that kind of bump showing at the back of our work. So when you are ending your project, this time you insert your hook through both loops. Okay, not only the back loop but both loops through to the bump loop that you have. Then you single crochet. So you insert your hook through both loops that you have, both loops, yes, through the back loop that you have, the bump loop, then you single crochet. So through the bump loop you single crochet, through the bump loop you single crochet. Okay, we are trying to make the back look very straight so that it don't look like our work is unfinished. Okay, so this is how you do to end our work. Yes, you are trying to hide every bump from the back. So you yarn through the two loops through the back, the bump loop, then you single crochet. Okay, you do this so you get to the end. And guys, I told you earlier on, you can use this. I'm going to use this for the base of a bag because I want the base to be stronger. So this stitch, I'm going to use it. Yes, so it's so easy and simple to make, guys. You can use it anytime that you feel like using. Very easy and flexible, less time consuming. Look at this. Look at this. The spaces are even closed. Thank you for joining this tutorial, guys. I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. And if you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, comment below, and I'll see you. Bye.